guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Pyraminx 3x3 cube. So let's talk about the basics in the beginning. This Pyraminx cube has 4 faces. These are the green face, the yellow face, the red face and the blue face. And these 3 pieces are called corner pieces. These 3 pieces are called edge pieces. These 3 pieces are called center pieces. If we move this part as clockwise, it will be like this, and this is called R. And if we move it anti-clockwise, it will be R prime. I like it. This will be L, this will be L prime, this will be U, and this will be U prime. U is for upwards, L is for left, and R is for right. And we also have a back, but we won't be needing it in solving this cube. So to start learning, we gotta scramble it. So let's scramble it. So let's start learning this cube. In the very beginning, I always solve the corners as fast as I can do this. Like I gotta match it with the center. If we move it in this way, this is not solved, and if we move it once this way, here it is solved. So I like it. We gotta solve all the corners. This has 4 corners. So like this is solved, and this is solved. Now what we're gonna do is solving the center pieces in a face. So we want to have 3 center pieces in a single face. I always choose the color blue as is my favorite. So I have a center piece solved in here. I'll be finding the other one. So yeah, it is here. Wait, I just move it as R. I can have it solved in here, and I have another one in this in here, and if we just move it U prime, we can have it here. So 3 center pieces are solved. And if we have a case like this, that 2 center pieces are solved in here and other one is here, we just can't move it up here like this or this, because it will be remaining here. So what we're going to do is move this one like this at any place that these 2 are here and this one is here. If you can put it in this way, you can see this 2 here and the other one is here. So just remove the U like U prime and move it L, and it will be solved. And now we're gonna have to solve the edge pieces. So let's find the edge pieces. I can have a edge piece in here. So I'm gonna move it like this color matches its centerpiece. So if I move it once U, it will be matched, and I can have the blue on my left, and I can see it in here. So if we have this position in this cube, we are gonna do is move it up, move the U here, and move it down. It will be solved in here. And after that, we can have a yellow in here, and I can see it solved. So we're just gonna do is move this up, move it left, move it down. Thus it is solved. And in here I can see that green is matched in here, and this is here. Move it up, move it away, and move it down, and thus a face is solved. And if we are having this piece on our left, then we'll be doing it on the same thing on our right, that this is here, and we'll be wanting it to place here. So what we're gonna do is move the left side up, move the U this side, and move it down. This is also solved. So mind the left and right side. Just put the blue in where you can see this. If you have the blue on the right, then you're going to use the left, and if you have the blue on the left, then you're going to use the right. And if we have another case like this, that the blue is here and the green is here, we'll be needing it to turn the whole opposite. So we'll be moving it to here or here. So we'll be doing like this down, this up, and we'll be having the blue on our left and the green on the right. So we will be just doing the right up, move the U prime, and move it down. This and this will be solved. So now our thing is to solve the whole three faces. These are not, which are not solved. So what I'm gonna do is now match the three center pieces all together, and we can see that this is solved in here. And now what we're gonna do is to solve these two edge pieces. To solve these two edge pieces, we will be needing to move this part and this part. So let's move it like right down, right up, left up. We'll have the blue in here, so we're gonna move it away, move the left up, move the U left, and it is down. It is solved, but we can see that these two colors are not same. Our target is to have two colors in here in the same. So let's try it again. I have the blue in here again, and we're gonna insert it like this. Now we can see that we have two same colors in here, two same colors in here, and two same colors in here. Now we're gonna take a look if this color belongs to left or this two color belongs to right. So in this case we can see that this red color belongs to the right. So now we'll be needing a formula, but I will try to teach you without a formula. If you need the formula, it's in the description, but I think you don't need it. Now we're gonna, as you can see that this color belongs to the right, we're gonna use the left one. Like this belongs to right, so left up, move it this way, left down, move it this way, left up, move it this way, left it down, and your cube is solved. And if this color belongs to the left, then we'll be using the same thing on the right side. It will be like right up, move it right, right down, move it right, right up, move it right, and right down, and your cube is solved. If you have any problem, please write it on the comment and I will try my best to solve your problem. If you can solve it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, or share. Thank you.